That we audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Last class, differential equations, simultaneous differential equation we solved, I hope. Done or not? So you can solve either x or y operated by some operator. Once if you get x, if you want to find y means what? Simple y, where is the y? You can find out. Can you able to do like this actually? Are you able to do or not that is?
Yes, sir.
Now we're going to do application of differential equations. Application of differential calculus. This is fourth unit actually. First unit is what matters is. Second unit. What is second unit? Are you remember or not? Second module. Exam coming, no heading, remember, huh? Application of differential equations. This is what? Unit 4, I think so.
Sir, we cannot see your screen, sir.
I'm presenting here. Wait.
Sir, it's coming, sir.
Sir, it's visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I'm not sharing also there. Actually, I'm presenting actually. Correct? Can I continue?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Otherwise, again, I will stop sharing. I will do. Can I continue?
Yes, sir. Continue, sir.
Sir, you can
Yes,
continue, sir.
Okay. So this unit for first unit is what? What is the first module? Tell me. Matrices. Correct? Remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Characteristic equation, eigenvalues, eigenvectors, then repeated eigenvalues means how to do 2 eigenvalues, 3 eigenvalues repeated means how to find eigenvectors, then orthonormal, okay, orthogonal process, okay, normalized matrices actually, correct or not? Orthogonal, then what you done? Canonical form.
Canonical form.
Then biquadratic, then nature of the quadratic form, signature, rank, and
Cayley-Hamilton.
Cayley-Hamilton, that is good. In between Cayley-Hamilton and left. These all are you studied in matrices 1. Now second chapter is what? Unit 2. What is unit 2? Function of several variables. Correct? Total differentiation. Then what you studied? Forgotten, sir? 6th is exam starting. Your exam may be on 7th, I think so it will come 7th afternoon.
Sir, ordinary difference.
Minimum and maximum values.
Maxima, minima, and next.
Lagrange's multiple, sir.
What?
Lagrange's multiple.
Lagrange's multipliers in maxima, minima. Then another important topic there. Taylor's expansion forgotten. Taylor's expansion is there or not? In maxima, minima.
So Jacobian matrix.
Jacobian is last topic. Correct? Taylor's expansion, Taylor's series expansion, Jacobians, then maxima, minima of two variables, maxima, minima using Lagrange's multipliers. This is the topic there. And differential calculus, total differentiation. Finding dy by dou u by dou x, du by dx, then dy by dx, lot of things initially you studied. Correct or not? So from this you can do. Next, Now this is unit. Unit 3 is what? What is unit 3? Tell me.
Differential equations.
There, what you studied? What you studied there? The balance.
Sir, we used to find the CF and PI.
What? What you said? Waste
Sir.
of time.
Order and degree. Order and degree.
Hey, order and degree. That is linear differential equation only. We studied actually linear differential equation means what? Degree is 1. Order may be whatever may be. Correct? Then what you have done actually, solution is equal to y is equal to CF plus PI. To find CF, what you will do? At least if you skeleton of the subject, you should know. Read actually heading. Once if you say the heading, in this is the topic, this is the topic, in this topic, these problems I will do. You don't need to do the all problems. At least you can skeleton. Okay, y is equal to CF plus PI. CF, how many types are there? Suppose roots are repeated means what? M1, M2, not repeated means what? C1 e to the power of M1x, C2 e to the power of M2x. Correct? Repeated means what? 2 times repeated means what? C1 plus C2x into e to the power of mx. Suppose complex roots alpha plus or minus I beta means what? E to the power of alpha x, C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. When suppose if they given differential equation in operator shape, put d is equal to m, you will get auxiliary equation equal to 0. Then solve, you will get the roots. To find CF this story. Once if you get the CF, roots means what? Not repeated means what? How you will write e to the power of m1x, c1 e to the power of c2 e to the power of mx, c3 e to the power of m4x. Suppose repeated means what? c1 plus c2x into e to the power of mx. Then complex roots means what? E power alpha x, c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. This is the story of the CF. For any problem, you have to find CF. Then PI, when you will get f of d into y is equal to some phi of x. Right side, if you have a some function, you can think for PI. Correct or not? Any problem?
Yes, sir.
Then PI, how many problems, how many types were done? PI for e to the power of ax. Then PI to the power of a power x means what you will do? E to the power of ax by f of d. Put d is equal to a, provided f of a not equal to 0. Correct? Denominator cannot be 0. If denominator 0 means what you will do? Differentiate with respect to d denominator, introduce one x. So this is the outline of the chapter, what you have studied. At least you can recall. Whether you have done problem is the next issue. The what are the topics are there, how to I am attack. That is, if you know the skeleton means what you will become master, then you will automatically will do. Then PI for what I done, tell me? Sin ax, cos ax. Okay. PI for sin ax, cos ax means what? Sin ax by f of d. Then what I will do? How I will do? What I will do? Sin ax, cos ax means. Put d square is equal to minus a square. Only d square. Getting or not? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If d square is equal to minus a square, suppose denominator if we have d plus 3, d minus 3 means what? Immediately can conjugate. Denominator we get d square minus then d of that sin x or cos x or 3 of sin x. Like this is the way how to do. There also, if it is case of fail means what you will do? One x you can introduce in numerator, then differentiate. This is one case. Next, third type is what? PI for polynomials. How you will do? PI for polynomials. How you will do? Tell me. For every problem, CF is same story. A polynomial means how it will have actually ax square plus bx plus c, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Suppose if all terms are not repeated as x cube plus 1 also it's polynomial third degree. Only x cube also polynomial of third degree. Correct? Then that time how you will prepare it? Then function of prepare. How to attack? 1 plus or minus phi of d I will prepare in denominator. I will bring to numerator. If I bring to numerator means what? 1 plus phi of d whole power minus 1. This is nothing but 1 plus x whole power minus 1 or 1 minus x whole power minus 1. Correct? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Suppose if the x is the polynomial degree 2 means what? My expansion I will go up to d square terms only. Remaining terms waste. My series will go up to infinity, but I don't expand. If I expand also I will get 0, 0, 0, 0. No use. Getting or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the pi for
Yes, sir.
ax we done, pi for sin ax or cos ax done, pi for polynomials we done. Then pi for e power ax into f of x. F of x may be sin or cos or polynomial. Then what you will do? What you will do? Tell me. I am only teaching, I am only asking questions, I am only telling answer. Then what you people doing, I don't know. E power ax into f of x means what you will do? Take e power x outside, change d by d plus a. Then f of x by d plus a. Suppose sin x means put d square is equal to minus a square. Polynomial means 1 plus f of d, 1 minus f of d. This is the we studied. Then another special type I given. X power 1 sin ax or x power n cos ax means how we will do? X into, what you will do? F of x by phi of d minus phi dash of d by pi of d whole square into f of x. Remember or not? Special case I given. Sir, say yes or no, okay or not?
Yes, sir. Okay.
This is x sin x case. Next, after that what I told, then homogeneous equations with variable coefficient, x square d square, x d plus y, that's some constant into y is equal to, then there what you will substitute, put x is equal to e power z, z is equal to log x, my x square d square become d dash into d dash minus 1, where d dash is equal to d by dz. So they will given in terms of y in terms of x, I will change y in terms of z. Correct? Then I will do slow. Usually what method we previously discussed all methods you will get, then solve. Finally, probably you can tell x is equal to e power z, z is equal to log x, you can say. Clear? Any doubt? Then similarly, I have done ax plus b whole cube into d cube also. Then you can write a cube into d dash cube, you can d dash into d dash minus 1, d dash minus 2. Suppose x coefficient minus means what? Minus 1 power n into a power n you have to write. These all are. Then next type is what? What is the next type? What is the next type? Suppose f of x is equal to secant x, tan x, log x, sin inverse x, cos inverse x. Then what you will do? What method you will follow? What method you will follow? Method of variation parameter. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So first you can find CF. You will get C1, F1, C2, F2. Suppose if it is the second order, C1, F1, C2, F2. Then the right side function you can take as a capital X. Pi, how can you write Pf1 plus Qf2? To find P, how you will do? Integral of minus F2 into X divided by F1 dash minus, sorry, F1 F2 dash minus F2 F1 dash. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Q is equal to what you will write? With Q already F2 is there, so don't use F2. Then F1 into capital X divided by denominator, same story. F1 F2 dash minus F2 F dash dx. Once if you know P and Q, go back and substitute it. Cpi is equal to Pf1 plus Qf2. Then solution is equal to y is equal to Cf plus Pi. Any problem? This is the way of revision. While walking also you can revise. No need to open the book. At least you should know the chapter. In that chapter, what I done, what we are doing. Once one by one, if you go inside, okay, this is the eigenvalues means what I want to find out, eigenvectors. Once after eigenvectors, what I will do. Suppose if repeated means what I will do. At least skeleton of chapter you should know. That is the way of studying. Anyways, I online, suppose if they one fellow complete the answer means anyway we get the WhatsApp message, we will do the problem is one thing you can remember. So everything is set writing clearly. You may get right on the offline exam, final exam. That time really you know where you are standing. Whatever may be cycle test 1, cycle test 2, what you know you can write. If 0 mark also happily will get. Try to do something in next time you can write. Marks is not important. Knowledge we need actually first. Do properly read and attack problems. Simply everyone getting 25, 25, 25, that offline means nobody will do that time. So again and again tell, read properly. Next, application of differential calculus, unit 4. Clear? So 3 chapters you can close your eyes and 5 minutes, 1 chapter you can recall, okay, matrices means these are the things. Function of variable means these are the things. Ordinary differential equation means these are the things. At least you should recall the headings. Then once if you know heading means what, if you don't heading also open the textbook and again check what they have done actually, what they is done like this. After that recall again. Then once if you know heading, in that heading of what we are doing. Then what formula using, what type of the questions they will ask. So like that you should write. Simply coming and going class actually somebody is there or not, I don't know. Every day only one by only answering. Just on your video and this not on is this in joining your class. Just here somewhere you are roaming, I think so. Okay. Next. So that is the way of studying. Now, unit 4, differential calculus, application of differential calculus. In this first what I will do, radius of curvature. First topic I will discuss. Radius of curvature. So radius of curvature means what? Curve how much bending at that point. One point if you take, it's how much bending at that point. Actually, that is called radius of curvature. Just formulas you will do. You can remember the formulas. ஏர்மலை தண்ணி வந்துச்சா உள்ள வீட்டுக்குள்ள தண்ணி வந்துதா? இல்ல இல்ல அந்த அதான் ரங்கம்மா வந்து இப்போ அதை கிளீன் பண்ணி போயிட்டா, ஹால் ஃபுல்லா தண்ணி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுது. இப்பதான் ஜஸ்ட் இப்பதான் ஃபோன் பண்ணிட்டேன், இப்பதான் ஃபோன் பண்ணுது. நீ வீட்டுல இருக்கியா? இப்போ எங்க வீட்டுக்கிட்ட இருக்கியா? இறங்கி போயிட்டோ கொஞ்சம் பாரு. அந்த சரி சரி. ஓஹோ, அதான் தண்ணி வந்துச்சுன்னா அந்த பெட்ரூம் ஃபுல்லா தண்ணி வந்துதான், இந்த ஹால்ல வந்துதான் பாரு. அப்படி ரொம்ப எல்லா ரூம்ல இருந்தா சிட்டின்னு எங்காவது எங்காவது கட்டில் மேல போட்டுடுது. அது ஃபுல் தண்ணி வந்து தண்ணியில நிக்காது அது. ஓகே, கொஞ்சம் பாத்துக்கோ கொஞ்சம். நான் வரேன், ஒரு 1 hourல வந்துருவேன் ஆக்சுவலி. Okay, now this radius of curvature formula is what? Suppose if y is equal to f of x in Cartesian coordinate, means given means what? How can you write rho? They will write rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. They will do point, don't worry. This is called actually rho. Note down radius of curvature in Cartesian coordinates. Radius of curvature in Cartesian coordinates. Okay, note down rho is equal to formula is what? 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Okay, suppose if this is first formula. Second is what? X is equal to f of theta and y is equal to f of theta. It's called parametric equation. X in terms of theta, y in terms of theta means how you will do. Copy down. Are you copying or not? Do fast. Okay, x is f of theta, y is f of theta means then radius of curvature y will do. Rho is equal to x dot square plus y dot square whole power 3 by 2 divided by x dot y double dot minus y dot x double dot, where x dot is equal to dx by d theta, x double dot is equal to d square x by d theta square, y dot is equal to dy by d theta, y double dot is equal to d square y by d theta square. This is actually parametric equation, radius of curvature in parametric equation. In parametric form. Correct? Note down. Suppose x is equal to f of theta, y is equal to f of theta means x is equal to f of theta, y is equal to f of theta. Radius of curvature, how you will do? X dot square plus y dot square whole power 3 by 2, x dot y double dot minus y dot x double dot. Okay, then x dot is equal to dx by d theta, x double dot is equal to d square x by d theta square, y double dot is equal to dy by d theta, y double dot is equal to d square y by d theta square. Correct? So in Cartesian coordinates, y is equal to f of x means dy by dx is equal to what? 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Correct? Where y1 is equal to what? Dy by dx. y2 is equal to what? D square y by dx square. Now, parametric form, x is function of theta, y is function of theta means this is the radius of curvature. Then polar coordinates, actually we have the following Cartesian coordinate and polar coordinates. Polar coordinate means function of it will appear. Cartesian coordinate means y is equal to f of theta. Polar coordinate means what? R is equal to f of theta. This is called polar coordinates. Then rho is equal to, how you will write means r square r1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by r square minus r2 plus 2r1 square. So this is called ROC, radius of curvature in polar coordinate system. Note down. Any doubts, sir? So y is equal to f of x means what is the radius of curvature? Tell me. Formula. Cartesian coordinate formula is what? Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Then parametric form, x is equal to f of t, y is equal to f of t means what is the formula? X dot square plus y dot square whole power 3 by 2. X dot into y double dot minus y dot into x double dot, where x dot is equal to this way. Okay. Then polar coordinates, r is equal to f of theta means what? R square plus r1 square minus r2 plus 2r1 square. Okay, yeah? Any doubt? Clear? Sir, okay or not, sir? Answer me. You people are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just take an answer at least. That also can do. Now can do. One problem we do. Find the radius of curvature of given curve root x plus root y is equal to 1 at 1 by 4 1 by 4. Now we are asking find the radius of curvature at root x plus root y is equal to 1 at 1 by 4 1 by 4. Okay. Then this is f of x. Now Cartesian formula I want to use 1 plus so rho is equal to what is the formula? Tell me. 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. Now come on, find the y1 first. What you will get? Root x differentiation is what, sir? Root x differentiation.
1 by 2 root x.
1 by 2 root x. Root y differentiation. Root y differentiation. Root y
1
differentiation.
by 2 root y.
1 by root y.
Into who will come? y1. Because implicit function f of xy is equal to 0. Where is the y? You can write y1. So now y1 formula is what? Tell me. y1 is equal to what? Minus root x divided by root y. Are you agree? 1 by 2 root x you can bring this set. 2 root y can multiply. So y1 is equal to minus root x by root y. Agree, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now y1 1 by 4 1 by 4 is what? Before substituting logically you can see this is also root 1 by 4, this is also root 1 by 4. Both will cancel or not?
Yes, sir.
So y1 at 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4 is equal to minus 1. So one part I clear. Now go for y2. What is y2 formula? y1 you can differentiate again. Denominator square. Denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Clear? Now come and do.
Sir, isn't it root y by root x? Sir?
No. First one. Acha. Correct. Good. I done now. Thank you. Yes. This it will go. Root y will come top. But anyway, answer is 1. But okay, correct only we have to write. What you will get? Tell me, sir. Root y by root x. Because 1 by 2 root x, root y go. Clear? Thank you, sir. Minus root y by root x. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then d by d square y2 you can find. y2 is equal to what? dx square is equal to minus you can write outside. Who is denominator, sir? Then x or y? X I think so. Okay. Denominator square. Denominator into differentiation of numerator 1 by 2 root y into y1 minus numerator into Who is numerator? Root y. Differentiation of denominator. Now, battery is running low. Now people are coming full strength actually before attendance. So this is equal to what you will write? Y2 at 1 by 4, 1 by 4. See, this also don't substitute it first actually. Root x, root y means what actually? Both are same values are not. This 1 by 4, 1 by 4 cancel. Y1 value is what? What is y1 value? Minus. So this what you will tell me is this time what you will get? Sir, this is root x root 1 na?
Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2.
Keep in mind. Come here actually. This is also root 1 by 4, root 1 by 4. It will go or not. Both are cancel or not. So here is what actually?
Plus 1 by 2.
No, yes, sir.
Root minus 1
Minus
by 2.
1 by 2, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is minus 1 by 2. This is minus 1 by 2. Minus of how much?
Plus.
Hey, plus of minus of is what? Minus 1.
Yes, sir.
2 into minus of. 2 minus of. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Minus 1.
Numerator is what now? Minus of. Come to the new denominator. This is what? Root 1 by 4 whole square. Root 1 by 4 whole square means this is what? Root will go or not. So balance is what? 1 by 4. Clear? Am I making you confused? This logically
No, sir.
substitute will get confused because this is cancel, minus of, this is minus 1. Denominator is what? Root of 1 by 4 whole square. Root will go 1 by 4. Correct? Any doubt? Then minus
No, sir.
divided by 1 by 4. So minus plus. So this become what? 4 by 1. This is equal to what? Y2. Now what is my formula? Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square whole power 3 by 2 divided by y2. That is equal to what? Rho is equal to
Lakshmi Kumar 52.
Cheppu Lakshmi. Okay. నేను క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాను యాక్చువల్గా 4-5 నా క్లాస్ వద్దు నేను రమ్మని చెప్తా ఓకే రైట్ నేను రాదు తనే వస్తాడు యాక్చువల్లీ విజయ్ కుమార్ వస్తాడు సరేనా ఓకే నేను ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిపోతాను యాక్చువల్గా తను వస్తాడు తను చెప్పేంటే నేను తర్వాత వస్తాను ఓకే బాయ్ Now substituted what you are getting, tell me. Answer. Sir, tell me, sir. 1, y1 is minus 1. So it's become what? 1
Plus
plus
1, sir. 1, so 2.
Okay. Divided by what?
Minus 4.
Hey, not minus 4. Plus, sir. So this is equal to what? Vijay Kumar. Lakshmi phone பண்ணாங்க இப்போ வர சொன்னாங்க 4:15 அப்புறம் வர சொன்னாங்க ரூம்ல தான் இருப்பாரா நீ போய் மீட் பண்ணு ஜஸ்ட் நான் வந்து கூட உன்னை விட்டுட்டு நான் வந்துடுவேன் சரியா 4:20 பஸ் எடுத்துருவாங்க இல்லையா இப்போ போயிட்டு வா நீ போயிட்டு வா இப்போ இல்லைண்ணா போருக்கா ரூம்ல தான் இருக்காரா நான் வரேன் கிளாஸ் முடிச்சுட்டு வந்து அப்படியே போயிடுவேன் சரியா சரி வாங்க ஓகே ரைட் பை So what is the answer? New denominator is what? 2 power 3 by 2 divided by 4. Rho is equal to 2 power 3 by 2 divided by 4. This is equal to, can I write 2 root 2 by 4? This is equal to root 2 by 4. This is equal to 2 times will go, sorry. Then root 2 by 2. This is equal to 1 by root 2. Then one thing you can remember, radius of curvature cannot be negative. If you get negative value means you can write positive. Note down first. Give your attendance. What is the first number, sir? 71.
71. Present, sir.
72. Can I stop share?
Sir, 72 present, sir.
Can I stop share? I'm asking.
Yes, sir.
73.
Present, sir.
74.
Present, sir.
75.
Present, sir.
76. 77.
Present, sir.
76, not the 77. 78.
Present, sir.
79.
Sir,
79.
he has a problem with this microphone, sir.
Okay. 79 present. 80.
Present, sir.
81. Not there. 82.
Present, sir.
83.
83 present, sir.
84.
84 present, sir.
85.
Present, sir.
86. Absent. 87. Absent. 88.
88 present, sir.
89. 89.
89 is present, sir.
Sir, he has network issue.
Sir, 5401 cannot call, sir. 90.
Present, sir.
91.
91 present, sir.
92. 92 present. 93.
Present.
94.
Present, sir.
95.
Present, sir.
96.
Present, sir.
97.
Present, sir.
98.
Present, sir.
99.
Present, sir.
100.
Present, sir.
101.
Present, sir.
102.
Present, sir.
103.
Present.
104.
Present, sir.
105.
Present,
106.
Present,
107.
Present, sir.
108.
Present, sir.
109. 110.
Present, sir.
112. 111.
Present, sir.
111.
Present, sir.
112. Present. 13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
115. 115 absent. 116.
Present, sir.
116 absent. 123. 123. Present. 120. 112 are present. 124.
123 present, sir.
124. Okay.
Present, sir.
125.
125 present, sir.
126.
Present, sir.
5401. Series 1.
Present, sir.
2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6.
Present, sir.
7.
Left the college.
8. 8 not there. 9. 8 absent. 9.
Sir, Arjun has raised his hand.
9. Okay, present. 12.
So 10, sir.
Eight.
Present.
11. 11. 12.
Sir, 11 present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
13 present.
14. 15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18 present, sir.
18,
18 present, sir.
19,
17 present, sir.
Present, sir.
20,
Present, sir.
21, 21, 22,
Sir.
23,
Yes, sir.
24,
24 present, sir.
25,
25 present, sir.
26,
26 present, sir.
27, 28, 29,
29 present, sir.
30,
30 present, sir.
31,
Present, sir. 31.
32.
Sir, up to 31 only.
Okay. Options are 76, 81, 86, 115. Then 8, 14, 21, 27, 28.
Sir, 28 present, sir.
28 present. Okay. Right. Can leave, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, you marked me absent